Kids Action Coaching is a goal-oriented, family-engaged coaching intervention for children with neurodevelopmental and intellectual disabilities. Among the many stakeholders of Kids Action approach, our solution is designed to be used by the coaches and the families. In Kids Action, a coach conducts an assessment of a child's motor skills at the beginning of the term. They then work with the families for goal setting and prescribe a set of activities that targets specific skills for improvement. The child then practices the assigned activities with the help of the families, and during the term, the coach reassesses the child and adjusts activities as needed. Kids Action has been successfully used in physical activity programs run by Special Olympics BC and Sunpeaks Adaptive Skiing. But when the COVID-19 pandemic hit, most in-person physical activity programs were put on hold. Now, more than ever, parents of children with disabilities need support to keep their families engaged in physical activity at home. Our challenge was to design a web-based application that can support the Kids Action program in both the remote and in-person settings. In order to understand the app's users, their context and their needs, and to reiterate on the designs, we undertook an iterative design approach. For the purpose, we interviewed Kids Action researchers, coaches, indigenous community partners, and parents of children with disabilities. Throughout the design cycle, we shared design sketches with participants and conducted usability tests in order to get their feedback and guide our decision making. We analyzed the qualitative information and identified 4 key goals for our design. We have designed an activity bank that lists all the activities in the current activity repository of the Kids Action program. The activities can be filtered by the fundamental motor skills, equipment, and number of participants required to do the activity. Coaches can browse the activity bank, select an activity, enter a SMART goal, and assign the activity. When assigned, the activity appears in the physical activity passport that lists all the activities that has been assigned to the child and includes current goals, past goals, and the goals that are put on hold. A coach can refer to the child's profile that contains information like their preferences, health concerns, and family members' availability, as well as their motor skills assessment scores for selecting an appropriate activity for the child. Coaching Conversation Panel facilitates asynchronous communication between the families and the coaches. The conversations can be sorted by date or filtered by topic so that coaches can browse past conversations to find relevant information faster. In order to assist families in guiding home-based practice, we have designed the Activity Description Card. It contains a video demonstration of the activity, textual description of the activity, number of participants, type of equipments, and skills that are practiced. There are also suggestions to make the activity easier or harder. The card also contains the SMART goal associated with the activity and the coaching conversations about the activity. Who does not need some positive affirmation and encouragement? Our activity buddy bear encourages the child to do the assigned activity and provide positive reinforcement. We also have a reward system to encourage the child to complete activities and maintain a streak. By finishing at least one activity per day, the child can maintain a streak. Finishing 1 week streak hatches a dragon. Additionally, after completing each activity, the child gets a puzzle piece. The puzzle, when completed, converts into a food item or an accessory for the dragon. We have designed a progress visualization to show the child's progress, involvement, and satisfaction in the program. The activity log shows a color-coded calendar view of child's involvement in assigned activities. A quick glance over active days and regularity percentage can present the information quantitatively. The satisfaction meters can give an idea about how challenging the current set of activities are. You can see the mean satisfaction level through the speed dial and a spread out reading through the bar plot for better understanding the trends. Through usability testing and semi-structured interviews, we validated the designs and came up with these 2 recommendations to guide the next stages of the design.